Hello John, today I'll show you how to remove or disable read only or required option from a fill-level text box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your fill-level from Foxit PDF Editor and I'll remove this required option from this text box. This three option is required. Now select this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find the selection option. Now select annotation and drag the mouse cursor, select all of these. Now click right button and select properties option. And properties dialog box, select the red option and here you will find this check and simply uncheck it. As it's this blue color not showing, if I make this one red only and see this or required option and make it required option and see this required option blue color showing. Yeah, and similarly you can remove it and required. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fill-level PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.